ayaw ko magpunko. Bakit? Magastos. It will run into billions. So National Security Council ko, sabi ko, easily I'll be spending like about 200, 300 billion. Napakasayang ng pera. Sabi ko, yung Congress na lang. Sabi ko, kayo, Pilipino man kayo. Kaya ba ninyong talikuran ang bayan ninyo? Ganong kadali, di ipagbili na natin itong Pilipinas. But ako, I have trust. Itong mga senador, mga ano, baski na anong sabihin mo, pinili ng mga tao yan. That is the essence of democracy. We elect leaders. Mga senador niyan, ilang dekada na. It means to say, ang tao may trust. Because you look at the con-us with distrust. Para rin sabihin, magnanakaw man sila. You know, you do not have any monopoly of anything in this planet. Kung masyado magdali ng salita o insulto na, kasi wag yan, kung gusto mo, and besides, I'll be there. Hindi naman ako magpapayag ako ng konstitusyon na anti-Pilipino. Yan ang masahan ninyo. That is the job of the President. If worse comes to worse, di alam nila ang anong mangyari sa kanila pag binastos nila ang Pilipino. I will not allow it. I will not allow it. So, you can only come up with a constitution that is responsive to the will of the people. And I will be there to read what you have worked on.